how to add friends in game. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can add friends in game. Adding friends in the app is a great way to enhance your gaming experience, and it's a very nice experience. And this is how to do it. Don't worry, this tutorial is quick and easy. Just ensure you practice what you will learn. The first step is to launch the app on your device. Then move to the bottom part of the screen just below the games available on Game, and you'll see two icons, tutorial and friends. So click on the friends tab. So yeah, you can add friends first of all by adding your friends through request. So by the time you click on request, when other players send you friend request, you can easily accept them by clicking on request, and you'll see the option accept or decline. Just go ahead and click on accept, and they'll be accepted as your friends. That's one way. Another way you can add friends is by inviting them. And how do you do so? Under the search tab, move to the bottom part and click on invite friends. And so a box will be displayed. In this box, you can see the option invite friends. So you can decide to invite friends by clicking on the invite button by the bottom part of the screen next to the connect icon. So by clicking on the invite button, you will see your invitation link. So you can decide to copy this, or you can just share the link to your friends on your messaging platforms. All right, and once they use the link to create an account, they'll be added automatically as your friend on and then you can also copy your invite code, send it to them, and then once your friends input this invite code in the box available, they would be able to add you also as their friend. And also you can also invite friends by connecting your Facebook to your account. By the time you do that, your friends on Facebook can also would also become your friends on as long as they have an account with the app. So this is it. These are the various ways you can add friends on You can also decide to send friend request. All right, on the search box, just go ahead and send friend request, and then once you do that, wait for a while to be accepted, and they will be added as your friends as well. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and go ahead and add those friends today.